Before we continue, let's talk about the prerequisites, guys, because it was so important to mention what are the prerequisites in order to continue with this course. First things first, you need to understand the basics of React.js and combine it with Next.js. And that's it. That's what you need to continue with this course, guys. Now, let me talk about the tech stack. Okay, we are going to have a different tech stack. For the admin and vendor dashboard, we are going to have a separate tech stack when compared to the our final website tech stack. Okay, so let's start with admin and vendor dashboard. We are going to build admin, vendor and e-commerce website with Next.js 15 version, guys. We are going to build these three websites using Next.js 15 version, guys. We are going to use MongoDB for our backend. We are going to use TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and Clerk for user management, Cloudinary for asset management, and we are going to use React icons in order to work with icons. Now, coming to the admin dashboard and vendor dashboard, we are going to use Maintain UI, guys. So what was Maintain UI? Maintain UI is a fully featured React component library, guys, just like MUI. So we are going to combine Maintain UI with MUI to create stunning looking vendor and admin dashboard, guys. Now, coming to the vendor dashboard, we are going to use JSON Web Token to store our vendor credentials. Okay, we are going to use JSON Web Token for vendor dashboard only. We are going to use another package called as bcrypt on our vendor dashboard only in order to hash the password and save the password on our MongoDB like that. So yes, that's what about both admin dashboard and vendor dashboard, guys. Coming to the our e-commerce website, we are going to use really very different tech stack for our e-commerce website. So first things first, we are going to use ArcJet in order to protect our app from attackers. I'm going to explain you how you can protect your app with ArcJet. We are going to use Clerk, as we know all of that, to manage our users. We are going to use Maintain here as well, but in this case we are only going to use maintain/form, not the full package of maintain. Only we are going to get form from the maintain itself in order to manage forms. We are going to use shared CNUI for our e-commerce website, guys. After that, we are going to use React email to design our email, guys. So when the order was successful or when customer placed the order, we need to send thank you message with ordered products, right? In order to do that, we are going to use React email to design our email, guys. Okay, as we know all of you, we are going to use Cloudinary here. We are going to use Umbrella Carousel React package on our e-commerce website, guys. It was simply a carousel. Now, coming to the state management, we are going to combine two big packages, guys. So we are going to use Zotai and Zustand, a very famous library right now. In order to manage our state, we are going to use two main packages for state management, guys. First one was Zotai and second one was Zustand. We are going to combine them in order to build full stack application, guys, so we can manage state effortlessly. Now we are going to use node mailer to send emails to our customers, guys. So yes, we are going to design our email with React email. We are going to send emails using node mailer. Now coming to the payment processors, we are going to use Stripe here onto our project. Okay, in order to show the success or failed messages onto our front end so customers can understand, we are going to use Sonar here. And that's it guys, and we are going to see how we can work with Tailwind CSS, TypeScript, ESLint in this mega project guys. Now coming to the React Native, we are going to use Expo SDK 52 version guys. So yes guys, that's it for this entire lecture where we have discussed about what are the tech stacks we are going to use in this project. And yes guys, see you on the next